How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Dad Makes Dough, and today's video is going to be 10 ways that you can make money online as a teenager right now. I've made this video before, roughly around last year, and I'm going to share some of the methods that I believe still work today and things that I still do now. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to leave a like, smash that subscribe button, and I think that's the wrong way around. Yeah, smash that subscribe button, no. Leave a like, smash that subscribe button, and yeah, let's get into the video. Right, so I'm going to make this video short and sweet. So first things first is testing websites. I know that there's Test My UI, Respondent.io. The one that I use or I've used in the past is user testing. So what you want to do is go to the website and click Get Paid to Test. Sign up for an account. What I'll do is I'll leave a list in the description of all the websites that you can actually get paid to test. And then if you sign up to all of them, you're going to have more consistent tests getting through to your inbox. So it's more consistent way of making money. All you need to do with this is literally, you need a webcam and a microphone. So if you've got a laptop, you're doing this on a laptop, something like that, you can use all those. It doesn't have to be amazing quality. And all you're going to do, you're going to get different websites to test or apps or stuff like that. And you can go through and just explain what you're doing. Like, you're clicking on this because of this, you think this looks nice, so on and so forth. It's pretty simple to work out, and once you've done like one or two, you'll do a test first, and then from there you start getting paid for it. So you get paid like $10 for every 20-minute test. But if you signed up to say 5 or 6 or 10 different website testing companies, then it's much more income for you, and all this gets paid through to your PayPal account. Right, so number 2, which is such a crazy business model, and I know that Heath has been doing this, so go check out his channel. I'm also going to link his video because he's the man when it comes to print on demand. That's Hustle with Heath. So what print on demand is say you get gift cards, say you get like cards or t-shirts or stuff, you know, like with memes on or anything like that. You don't actually get those, say it's t-shirts, you don't actually get those physical t-shirts. Say you don't buy 1,000 of them and then start printing them, and then you got this massive overhead. All that you do is create an Etsy shop, go onto like a print on demand service such as like Printful or something, get like some free photo editing software like Canva or something like that, and then what's going to happen is you're going to post it onto Etsy, link your Printful store. So say current events, you know, to try and rank, or say there's a current TV show out or something like that, make something funny, make like a meme t-shirt, something like that, and you put that onto your Etsy shop, and when someone buys it, so if that costs you £10 to make, and you're selling it for 20, obviously after the fees and stuff, you might make like £7 or £8, but that's £7 or £8, if you're getting consistent traffic, you're not actually doing anything for that, you're not physically shipping the products, you're not making the product, nothing like that, it literally goes straight from the supplier to the customer, and it's made in between. You're the middleman, you're just keeping that profit. So go check out his video. Honestly, he's the craziest guy. He's so good at this. He has actually made so much money just through print on demand. I've tried it before and I failed, but I didn't put my 100% effort into it, and I should have done. But now, it's time to give it a try. So go check out his video if you want some more information about that. Right, so next up, you're probably going to laugh and you're probably going to get sick of me mentioning it all the time, but one of the best ones ever is affiliate marketing. I know that you see these gurus or these YouTube ads of these people driving Lambos and stuff like that, and they've made all this for affiliate marketing and stuff like that. It actually works. No, you're not going to get rich overnight. Yeah, it does take a lot of work up front, and you do get there over time, but you've just got to stick at it. What I was doing is, I was spamming links everywhere, expecting it to just blow up, and it wasn't. You've got to get diverted traffic. Think of it as a funnel. You know, you've got to get people into that funnel. You've got to get people wanting to click on this. So if you're promoting a service or something like that, you've got to believe in that service. If you're promoting a service that you think looks a bit shady or something like that, no one's going to buy it if you wouldn't buy that yourself. So me personally, I've been using Profit Accumulator. I've actually used this for over a year, over 2 years now. And because I'm actually using the service, I know it works. I know people are going to sign up and stay signed up. So at the minute, I've made almost £3,000 just through promoting this, and this is a video. Majority of this traffic comes from YouTube, and this video that I made is over a year old now, but it's making like £500-600 a month for me just in affiliate recurring commissions, because I get so much percent of someone's subscription every single month. It's at no extra cost to them. It's for me referring that. So you really want to check out affiliate marketing. Please click the link in my description now, or I'll put an animation or a tag in the YouTube video right now. Click on that, and that's how I started making money at affiliate marketing, and it works. I'm not one of these people who was born into a business world. I wasn't born with lots of money, nothing like that. I'm just like normal people, a council estate lad who wanted to make some money online, and this is how it works. I had nothing to lose. I had no upfront cost. Everything I started on here was completely for free. So if you want to learn how to start affiliate marketing, go watch that video because it's such a great video. So next one, we've got retail arbitrage. So you're probably going to question what this is. You can literally buy items from, say, one shop and sell it somewhere else and make a profit. You could literally go to your local Tesco's and look on the reduced aisle at like games or something. Say Lego was 17, now £8. You could literally buy all those, sell it on Facebook Marketplace without the fees. Or if you really wanted to go into it, if you look at this is something I found in 30 seconds. So you'll find that people on eBay sell things much higher than things on Amazon. So I know it kind of goes against the rules and regulations of these, but you get my drift. So you look at this. So you look at this Russell Hobbs toaster, cream inspired 4-slice toaster, right? And this is $39.99. If you've got a Prime account as well, you'll get it delivered next day. So that's $39.99. And if you look at new and used, you got $29.29 plus free shipping, right? But if you go onto eBay, copy and paste that same toaster, they're selling it for like £50. So you could be making like £15 just in the profit in between. That is something called retail arbitrage. It's not the fact that people aren't looking on both, it's just people are lazy. If people prefer a platform such as eBay, they're going to just look on eBay, they're not going to look on Amazon. Like with my mum, she goes on eBay all the time, but she's not really fond of Amazon. Not sure why. But if these people aren't willing to look for the better deal, why don't you just make some profit in between? It's the best way to go. We've got number 6, and that's phone flipping, and I've made a video about this, and you can do this, and if you've not done this, you're missing out, because it's great profit. You can literally buy broken iPhones and learn how to fix a screen. Go onto a website called iFixit, and it gives you step-by-step guides. Go onto YouTube, ask your family and friends if they've got broken phones in a drawer, and practice, because you can make like 40, 50, 60, up to £100 profit per phone. All you're doing is flipping the screen. Maybe don't go down the lines of looking for like water damaged screens or motherboards, or don't turn on, nothing like that. Make sure you check it, IMEI check it's not stolen, anything like that. Check it works, check a SIM card works. Go check out my video and I'll give you all those checks in there. And also invest in a decent set of like screwdrivers and stuff, like the tiny ones, because you'll get a screen from China or wherever, and you will get these cheap little screwdrivers, but all that'll do is strip the screw, so you're just going to find it harder. Just pay like £10 or £15 for a decent set if you're going to do this. I've actually linked something in my other video on Amazon. Just pick those up. They're great. They don't strip no screws, nothing like that. Phone flipping. What a great flip. You can even sell on Facebook Marketplace, so there's no fees, just profit. They can even come to your house, so you can offer to drop it off. Obviously stay safe with stuff like that. Number 5, let's look at selling old things in your house. So if you've got no money, what you want to do is look around your house, and if you've not used it in a month, get rid. You don't need it. It's been sat there a month for a reason. So like, I don't know, I could probably look around my room right now and see I've got an old keyboard, a gaming headset that I don't use, all this sort of stuff. You could list it on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, stuff like that. Maybe you've got some, old games or old consoles that you don't need. Flip them. A printer, flip it, just sell it on, and use that cash to actually buy something else and then flip. It's not hard to just clear out. Just do a clear out. You don't need half of this stuff. You've not used it in a month, get rid and just sell it on. Right, so number 4, and you're gonna laugh at me again, but yeah, it does work. I don't care what anyone says. It's not the most profit in the world, but it works, and it'll get you a couple of quid here and there to start. And it's surveys, right? I made a whole video all about surveys, so I'll link that video, but also I'll link 2 of my best survey sites that I use, and that is something called QMe. I've had like £500-600 from this site alone, and it's super easy, quick surveys. It's got an app, everything. There's no messing around. And Swagbooks as well. It's old. It's been around. It's old but gold. It's been around forever, and you can play games, you can download apps, you can sign up for free trials, and you're making money on that, and it's great. I don't slip on Swagbooks and QMe. They're great to start. QMe in particular, you can cash out straight to PayPal, and there's no minimum. You can just get it done. And then finally, I've got flipping products. Now, I've made a video about this before. I've compiled it all into one video, how you can make money. So if you can't be bothered flicking through all the videos, watch this and then click anything that I recommend. Flipping products. So if you look here, if you follow me on Instagram at dadmakesdough, I post nuggets of information like this all the time. So I went onto a website called Bidkit, and what Bidkit is it's like a database that'll check eBay listings, so you can search what you can't search through eBay. So like local collection only, broken, you know, things with 0 bids, spelling mistakes, everything like that. So what I like to do on there is I like to go on eBay and search for TVs within so many mile radius and then sell them on. Because it's got such a smaller customer base, because it's collection only, and if it's in middle of nowhere, it's going to be awkward to get to. If people don't have a car, they're not going to be going to pick up a 50-inch TV. But if you can get there, then you've got the upper hand. So you look at this. I bought this Samsung 40-inch LCD gloss black TV, and it cost me £17.50, and it was literally 20 minutes away. Not even that. Put it in the car. It sold within 24 hours for £70. That's like £50 profit. Just short. £50 in 24 hours from flipping a TV. Because people are always going to buy TVs. Constantly. This TV might have gone for like a bedroom TV or something like that. It doesn't have to be smart either. These bread and butter TVs. I've sold TVs that I've got for like 30, 40, £50 smart TVs and sold them for £200-300. Yeah, they've been lucky, but these are the bread and butter ones that you want to do. You know, the basic 40-inch, 42-inch Samsungs. Stick to your higher brands, your Samsungs, your Panasonics, your LGs. You know, even if you can get them cheap enough, just stick to your Tesco brands, your Sharp, you know, stuff like that. But give it a try. You've got nothing to miss out. And if you use some of the methods that I issued previously in this video, you can have enough money to start up the TV flipping. So you could do some surveys and make £5. You could, you know, sell things around your house and make £30, and then you could go and sell from, for example, Amazon to eBay and make £15. There you go. You've got £40-50 to go spend on a TV that you can now flip on Facebook Marketplace. It's so easy, and there's money to be made out there. I don't care what anyone says. I've done it, and I'm just a normal person. If you did like the video, I made it quick as I could, short and sweet, nuggets of information. So if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to smash that like button. I got it right this time. Subscribe for plenty more videos. I'm really focusing on this YouTube game right now. I'm constantly making more and more videos that are just going to keep being uploaded. So if you did like it, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and comment how much money you've made with some of these methods, because I'd love to know. Thanks guys for watching.